Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far. So today I'm going to be doing the 10 products that make me feel flawless. This was started by Patty Alonso and I've seen several of my friends here on YouTube doing it, and I wanted to join in the fun because it just seemed like such a lovely idea, of a nice thing to think about. And I feel like all makeup, that should be the goal. Like all the makeup we own, it should make us feel flawless. So I've chosen the 10 products that I feel make me feel my most beautiful, my most flawless. I've chosen 10 because Mel cheated and Mel chose 10. Patty started this with 9, but Mel came in with 10 and rounded it up. So, you know, she cheated. If it's good enough for Mel, it's good enough for me. And frankly, the odd number horrified me, Patty. I don't know what you were thinking, but 10, I feel much more safe with it. A nice even number, you know, it gave me an extra cheeky bonus product, you know. So let's start with a foundation. I feel like a foundation is the foundation of feeling flawless. That feels like a Charlotte Tilbury advert, no? Oh yes, this foundation, the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Soft Radiance Foundation. Of course it would have to be the most expensive foundation in my entire extensive collection. What a mug. But this honestly is the foundation that makes me feel my most beautiful. It's the one I reach for the most. I just love the finish. I love that it never lets me down. Despite being quite a radiant foundation, it doesn't give up. It doesn't just turn into an oil greasy slick. I don't have to set it. It looks beautiful on the skin. I have a perfect summer and winter shade, which is unheard of in these parts, let me tell you. It just makes me feel special. Even the packaging kind of contributes to that, because as soon as I pick it up, I just know it's going to be a good day. It feels weighty, it feels beautiful, it looks beautiful, and therefore I trust it to make me beautiful, you know? All these little trickety tricks, Tom Ford. I see you. It's working. I can't lie. But yeah, this is my #1 foundation that makes me feel my most beautiful, my most flawless self. Next up, an eyeshadow palette, and it's the Pat McGrath Divine Rose 2. You guys know how hard I fought to get this pink packaging. I feel like I sold a bit of my soul that day. There's a bit of me gone forever that was lost in the process of somehow achieving getting this pink packaging. And let me tell you, there's no way I should have, because this packaging, you know, it sold out in 38 seconds and I placed an order at like past when it came back on the website and somehow got this one and not the one that I ordered at 30 seconds past. But you know, we've got to let it go somehow, haven't we? At least it's here, it arrived, we got there in the end, and it is just glorious. These shades, they're just so pretty. And I just want to feel pretty, you know, I want to feel feminine and pretty. And these are the shades that make me feel that way. These roses, these, I'd say in particular, like this shade and this shade here, these muted rose tones. This is what I want to look like. It's just so pretty to me. I love everything about this palette, including this godforsaken pink packaging that we all nearly died for. And yeah, it's just, I just feel so beautiful when I use these colours, when I use this palette. And yeah, every time I look at the pink packaging, it just makes me happy, even though, you know, I pray for the part of my soul that we left behind in the process. Next up, a palette. This is the Hourglass Sculpture palette. I've been raving about this, and just the overall look that this gives me makes me feel beautiful, flawless, luminous, in the most natural, born this way kind of way. That's the kind of makeup I love, a kind of, you know, obviously I didn't wake up like this. I think that's a stretch of the imagination. But this palette, it definitely gives me natural, your skin but better. She's just, you know, been really eating her greens lately kind of skin. The whole overall effect of this whole palette used together on the skin, it is just flawless and beautiful, and soft is the word. And this, every shade in here just does it for me. All together, It's a joy. A mascara that makes me feel flawless is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes, the mascara I have on today. This mascara, it makes my lashes look exactly how I wish my lashes to look. It stays feminine, it gives me that winged out shape. It lets me keep a lot of my lashes but gives me a lot of drama and lift. And I just feel like there's something super pretty about the way this mascara looks. It's not as sort of dramatic and clumpy as like the Monsieur Big or the Pat McGrath Dark Star, which, don't get me wrong, a lot of the time that's what I want, that's what I love, that's what I live for. But on the days when I want to feel flawless, beautiful myself, but like blessed by an angel, this is the mascara that does that for me. So for cheek products, and I've got a fair few, given that we only had 10 items, I've gone a little nuts on the cheek products, but I feel like for me it's cheek products that kind of bring out me. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like cheek products, they're when I start to feel beautiful, when I add back in the colour, the flush, the glow to the cheeks, that's when I feel my most beautiful. So to start off with, this bronzer, this Gucci bronzer, I can't stay away from it. I want to use it like every day. It just gives me the nicest tone, and it's just the perfect amount of luminous natural glow. I feel like the undertone of this is just perfect. It mimics how my skin tans, so that's exactly what I've been looking for, and I just think it's just so elegant. The Tiffany blue, like, everything about this makes me feel spoilt and luxurious and flawless and beautiful. So yeah, this is definitely the bronzer that makes me feel my best. And a blush, again, a blush that I am wearing on my cheeks today, and it's the Hourglass At Night blush. When this came out, I don't know that I expected to like it that much, honestly. I've never been massively blown away by Hourglass blushes before, but this one, it just does it for me. It goes with every makeup look. I feel like it's natural, but it's my colour. It suits me the most. The finish, it's glowy and luminous, but look how natural it is, and you can really build it up. Or you can have it super soft. It's so flattering, and it just looks like, it doesn't look like you've got blush on, it just looks like a hint of colour and youthful glow. It's not shimmery or sparkly, but it's also not matte or chalky or flat. It's just the most natural hint of colour, and that's how I feel my most flawless, when I'm feeling like I look as natural and as true to myself as possible, but with a fair amount of help. Another cheek product that makes me feel like flawless and beautiful and pretty and spoilt is the Chantecaille Cheek Duo. This is the shade Coral. Even just touching these is a delight. They're so soft and just angelic, and they both have, again, that thing that melt into the skin. Is this just, you know, her on a lucky day, or did she wake up like this kind of look to them? The highlight is my perfect type of melt into the skin, undetectable, blends in with your skin tone shade for me. And the Coral blush, again, it's just a hint of something. It's just a hint of flush to the skin, and they go so beautifully together. Again, the packaging, I die. Just the, you know, getting it out and just looking at it, I feel a bit more flawless, to be honest. It's just so beautiful. Both of these shades work so beautifully together. Not really a day goes by when I don't want to use this, honestly. And the highlight that makes me feel my most flawless is, without a doubt, the Galon Terracotta Nude. If I just want to look like I'm not wearing highlighter, I'm just really healthy and drinking all of the water, which is how I feel flawless. Like, I feel healthy, I look healthy, I'm just glowing from within, but I'm not wearing highlighter, or am I? That's what this one does for me. I'm going to show you it kind of blended out on my hand. I mean, would you think that was highlight, or do you just think my hand is just super healthy and it drank loads of water? You know, that's what this highlight gives me. It gives me, like, she's not wearing highlight, she's just hitting the light stunningly well today. That's what this gives me, and that's exactly what I want. When I go on a night out, I'm going for drinks, I'm going on a date, I might want something a bit more glowy, like the Chantecaille or maybe the new Charlotte Tilbury that I have on today. But for my everyday, you know, school run, maybe the office, etc., I want to look like I'm not wearing highlight, I'm just beautifully positioned by the window. And I drank all my water, and I ate loads of broccoli and cabbage and kale, you know? And now for 2 lipsticks. This was intense, this decision-making process, let me just tell you. I was just sat at my vanity for hours looking at all these lipsticks and trying to work out which 2 made me feel the most beautiful, the most flawless. And number 1 was easy. That's this one. Do you know what this one is without checking the description box? It's Lisa Eldridge Go Lightly. Of course it is. It's just, I feel a bit closer to Lisa, you know, I do. I feel like I'm a bit Lisa when I wear this, and it's just everything about Lisa is that natural, flawless, she was born like this beauty. And obviously this isn't a colour that you would wake up with your lips being this colour, but it is just so youthful and fun and feminine and girly, and Your Lips But Better. Even the finish of it is so beautiful and flattering, and it makes your lips look smooth and juicy and plump and healthy, but the colour is just like nothing else. I just feel like when I wear this, I get the most compliments about it. When I wear this in videos, the most people ask me what I'm wearing, or on my Instagram, what is that on your lips? It's always this one. It's just so glorious. I know everybody's going to kill me because it's not currently available, but I also know Lisa is going to be bringing it back one day, probably in the spring. It's just heavenly. If she brings that back, you get it. You go and get it, okay? And last but not least, my second lip choice. It's the Jimmy Choo. This weapon, or wizard's stick, if you will, is the light of my life. I mean, the packaging, everything about it, it feels and looks special. But this lipstick, I feel like I underrate it myself because I'm just kind of like distracted by the packaging, and you think this is all bells and whistles, and actually the product inside maybe isn't that special, but it really is. The smell of this is like Parma violets for a start. So as soon as I put this on, I'm just transported to my childhood, wolfing down Parma violets, happy as Larry. The snake skin print on here is just kills me every time. The shape of this lipstick gives you the perfect lip shape. Let me put it on, for God's sake. I'm sure you're all sitting there screaming at me. It's just, I mean, the opaque coverage in one swipe. The fact that in like one pass you get your exact lip shape. You know, it's just... the coverage of it, the vibrancy, the fact that it's like quite unique to me, the level of color, and it's in like one pass, and you've got your perfect crisp shape because the shape of that bullet is just everything. It feels so creamy, and this finish, it's so shiny and glossy and comfortable that it just doesn't feel, it feels like you must have filler in your lips or something, because your lips just can't look this perfect. It's just so creamy and glistening, like you've got a gloss on the most pigmented lip. It looks like you've used a liner because it gives you such crisp application. I just feel like special over the top when I wear this. So there you have it, my 10 products that make me feel super flawless. It was hard picking some of these out, let me tell you. Cheek products were really hard to pick apart. I wanted to include more foundations. I could have included 100 more eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, etc. But please share down below what your products are that make you feel your most flawless, because you know I love to hear yours. I shared mine. You show me yours, all right? That's how it works here. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'd love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye.